Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about how to use Reddit. We're going to go over some commonly asked questions about how to use Reddit, including how to change your username on Reddit, how to delete your account on Reddit, and how to get karma on Reddit. So these are just a few basic questions that a lot of people have, and we'll try to answer them for you. So when you sign up for Reddit, you choose a username that you'd like to have, and that username shows up on your profile page, and when you answer a question or make a post, everybody sees that username, and it shows up in the URL bar up here for your username. Now, unfortunately, you cannot change that username. Once you sign up and choose that username, there is no ability anywhere on Reddit to change that username. So if we scroll through all these settings, there's nowhere to change the username. So unfortunately, when you do choose that, you're stuck with that username. So be very careful when you're choosing it. Make sure that it's something that you want to stay with. Make sure that it doesn't contain any personal information that you don't want the world to see or to be linked to your account, because you cannot change that. The only thing you can change here, you'll see that you can set a display name, but it does tell you that this does not change your username. So if I change this to YouTube 1, for example, it will automatically save. And then if I go back to my profile page here, we'll see that it shows this new username that I've just set, YouTube 1, but the URL is still the same thing. It still shows it down here. On all my posts, it's still going to show this automatically generated username that I chose for this account. So you can set a display name, but it doesn't do a whole lot. Your username is still your username. So unfortunately, you cannot change your username. What you can do though is you can delete an account. So if you go into your user settings, go to your account tab, scroll all the way to the bottom, delete account, and you would just click here, delete account. You don't have to write anything there. You would write your username, your password, and you have to click this box. I understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable. And then when you click delete, your account will be gone. And it tells you that once you delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit, and your posts, comments, and messages are disassociated from your account unless you delete them beforehand. So what this means is that your posts, comments, and messages are not deleted, okay? So you have to be aware of that deleting your account does not delete your posts, comments, and messages. You would have to do that before you delete your account. So unfortunately, what a lot of people do is they want to get rid of all their content, so they rush to delete the account without reading this and without understanding what deleting account does. So if I have a bunch of posts and I have a bunch of comments and I go through these steps and I delete my account, it's just gonna show on Reddit deleted account as my username basically. So it will no longer show my username, but all of the posts and comments and messages will remain. It will just tell everybody on Reddit that you deleted your account. So it won't show your username on it anymore. So if that's all you're concerned about, this is fine. But if you're trying to really get rid of everything that you've put on Reddit, you really do have to manually, or there is some plugins that you can get that will delete all of your content that you've added, and then you can delete your account on top of that. But once you delete your account, you can't go back in. Nobody can delete those posts for you. So you do have to manually do that. So just keep that in mind. What this does is it will get rid of the username across the site. So the username will no longer be anywhere seen on Reddit. It will just show as a deleted account. So keep that in mind, but it's quite simple. Again, your username, your password, click here, click delete, and you're all set, ready to go. Finally, we want to talk a little bit about getting karma on Reddit. It's one of the most important things for having a successful Reddit account and building up your profile on Reddit and getting your name out there. So if you do want to get lots of karma, One thing you want to be aware of is that a lot of the subreddits on Reddit have restrictions where they don't allow brand new accounts to post. So you might have to let your account warm up a bit and age a bit, be a few weeks old before you start getting into hardcore karma building. But what you can do is if you want to really build up karma fast, a lot of the animal subreddits are a good way to build up karma fast. You can find pictures of cute animals on Google Images, or you can download videos off of TikTok and re-upload them to some of the popular animal subreddits and really build up karma quite quickly that way. For example, funny dog videos is one. So funny dog videos has 52,000 members, but it's not that popular of a subreddit where they don't get overwhelmed with posts. So if you go to TikTok and you find the most popular video of dogs for the day and funniest video of dogs for the day, and you download that and you post that here as a create post, images and video, and upload it, then you can gain karma quite quickly. Usually 500 to 1,000 karma is quite easily done per post. The other thing you can do, again, once you have an aged account, is you can start submitting news articles to reddit.com/r/news. Now, this specific one is just for American news, but there's a worldwide one as well. But this regular news one is just for American news, and then world news is for that. And you can just go to Google News and find new articles that have been posted and post those, and those can do quite good as well. So submitting links is an easy way if you're not, especially if you're not good with the English language. Submitting links that you find online to proper subreddits is a good way to build karma quickly. But yeah, downloading videos off of TikTok and re-uploading them to Reddit is quite a quick way to build karma up, especially for funny animals or fail videos or that sort of thing. So those are the steps for changing your username. As I said, it's not possible. You can change your display name, but that won't do a whole lot. So be careful about the username that you choose. If you're not happy with your username, or you just want to get off of Reddit, you can always delete your account, but keep in mind you cannot recover it once it's deleted. And we went over how to build karma on Reddit. So hopefully that helps you guys out. If you have any questions about how to use Reddit, make sure you add a comment below the video. And if you like this and found this video helpful, make sure you do add a like to the video. Thank you and have a great day.